Let's go ahead and just put it on like this. Let's put it on. Okay. Oh. Hey, you can't even see anything. You can't even see anything. That's interesting. Oh, that's a great shot. Oh yeah. So yeah, you can't. Huh. So let's see if we can put on the bottom one. So this one. So I just put on the top strip. So we've got this bottom strip here. So you just take this off like so. Like this, like that. Let's put that down on the ground over there. Let's go ahead. So you guys can see I have a different color tooth here. And that's because I've been using this for long enough to where my teeth were starting to get white, and this is a fake tooth. And I forgot that if I use this thing, it's not going to change it's not changing the color of my fake tooth because it's fake. So I realized that I actually had to stop because you guys can see the difference in this tooth color and this. So this is what my tooth used to be like, and this is the one right here. Okay, so this and this. So so I want to line it up with like the bottom of where my teeth start. You see? Push it back. There you go. So this is what it comes in right here, and this is what the bag looks like. I ripped it obviously to open it up, and yeah, it has on the back has a little instruction things, and then also here you see peel. Man, reading backwards is so hard. Peel, apply, reveal. 3 reveal. And you have your top and your bottom. Yeah, I mean, again, you guys can clearly see the difference between my teeth and the way it used to look, because that when they replace your teeth, they match your teeth color, and so that's what it used to look like. And so I don't know, I might have to go to the dentist. Oh yeah, actually I had to stop, like I said. So I'm gonna have to go to the dentist. I don't want them to remove this because getting it out, oh God, it's so sensitive and stuff like that. But I don't know, maybe they can they're gonna have to recolor my teeth, or I'm not gonna be able to use this anymore because it's gonna make my teeth it's gonna make my teeth too white. So yeah, I like this. And then when you're done, you dash. Okay, so there's this one. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh God, that's nice. Okay. Honestly, it's not really that hard to get off. I was just dramatic effect, right? But no, it's hard. Like I'm not just doing this for myself. I'm trying to show on a video, and that's what makes it a little bit weird, I guess, or awkward in the situation. But yeah, we got our Crest whitening strips.